I'm Roger Massey. I'm the Chief Executive Officer. I've been here about 3.5 years. Moved from the East Coast to come to the mid part of the country and have found it to be a very rewarding experience professionally. Have worked with some really great people in a very supportive community. We are recruiting, obviously, for a full-time physician at this particular point. We have one of our current physicians who will probably slow down at some point soon and move to more of a part-time status. We have another physician who coincidentally last year won the National Rural Health Association Rural Practitioner of the Year award. He has retired from primary care, but he continues to do some emergency room coverage for us. We have taken a lot of initiative in terms of changing environments in trying to prepare ourselves for that changing environment. We're a pilot site right now for patient-centered medical home. We operate the 4 sites on our clinics in different parts of the county. We are seeing as many as 20,000 encounters in the course of the year through those clinics with a very busy ancillary support. Our laboratory is fully equipped. Very little goes out on outsourcing the lab work. We have on the radiology side, we have the ultrasound, the mammography on a mobile basis, a mobile MRI, the 16-slice CAT scan. So all of the diagnostics are there. We pride ourselves on the fact that we have numerous specialties who come here, put in the windshield time to see patients in Ellsworth who are from Ellsworth, and they find that we have all the diagnostics they need so that they seldom have to ship their patient back to the larger community unless there are some more serious issues that that patient is dealing with, and that would be an appropriate referral in any event. Our entire line of business has actually gone up. And so therefore we feel that we really have maintained an ability to be on the cutting edge to the extent that a rural community can in dealing with those transitions as we go forward and providing our professionals the opportunity to work with us in that transition. And so far that has gone very well, as evidenced by our being selected as a pilot site with the Kansas Academy of Family Physicians under the auspices of Blue Cross Blue Shield at moving toward a patient-centered medical home. We have implemented chronic disease management programs. We have more work to do in that arena because we are a pilot site and it's in the process of reaching a level of maturity that's going to take another 3 to 5 years. And we would hope that any candidate would feel very comfortable with that kind of an environment and realize that we are very much interested in sustaining and enhancing our quality measures as the government and the insurance companies are going to require, and go forward with those transitions and establish those chronic disease management programs. This, as you know, is a municipal facility. It's owned by the county, and so one might say that that creates a huge bureaucracy. I have found it not to be the case. I have found the board to be extremely supportive. The county commissioners I prepare reports for on a monthly basis, they have been extremely supportive of this organization over the years. I think that that's why you find the level of diagnostic capacity, capital investment, age of the physical plant to be all relatively new. And to me, that is a huge indication of that level of support because they see the need to make the investments in order to truly capture the ability to care for our citizens within this community to the extent that is appropriate and professionally feasible.